If you are a facilitator in the healing industry or your business has to do with healing in any way, here are some questions you can bring to this Friday's workshop. And these are all examples from questions that clients have brought me in the past week. Question 1, I have a full client schedule, which is amazing, but several of my clients have gone on summer vacation. And since clients have the ability to schedule one session at a time, I'm in this place where I am out money because my clients are on vacation, but not really sure what to do because I want to hold their spot for when they come back. So how do I make more money without giving away my client spots? Like, what do I do? Question number 2, I desire more clients, but I get the ick or I feel heavy or awkward when it comes to promoting myself and my business. So how can I get more clients without feeling gross and salesy and show up in promoting my business in a way that feels like me? Question number 3, I really want to start to add in-person events and work my way up into retreats, but all of my clients and all my customers are trained to purchase virtually from me, and I've never really done in-person stuff. So where do I go from here, and what is the best first idea in order to start? Question number 4, if it's not in alignment for me to raise my prices, what are some other ways that I could free up my time and my energy that isn't just straight up increasing my prices? And number 5, this is one of my favorites. I currently work for someone else while I've been building up my business on the side. I'm starting to get close to being able to make the leap into trusting my business to stand on its own 2 feet. But I feel kind of stuck. It's like I really rely on the money coming in for the person that I'm working for. I also feel a lack of confidence when it comes to really owning and standing on my own 2 feet as it comes to owning a business I can rely on. And I'm also just scared. So can you please tell me what to do? So I would love to see you this Friday in the back of your heart. So if you have any questions like these and you want to get them answered by someone who knows what they're doing, that's me. I'm Alex. I am a somatic facilitator. I am a business coach and I am a business owner. And I really love creating creative and custom fit solutions that help you get what you want now instead of waiting to have more experience or get another training or certification in order to have the permission to have what you want. So you can really bring anything to our call on Friday. It's kind of like an Ask Me Anything or hot seat coaching. Everyone will have the opportunity to be coached in a mini session one-on-one, but it's not required to be coached. You can also just come and learn and soak it in from the questions and the process of other business owners like you. And it's $45. You can save your spot in the link in my bio. There are 8 spots left, and I would love to see you there.